Assalamualaikum. So hari ni aku buat roti jala. Before that, please subscribe to my channel. So aku nak makan roti jala sebabnya kalau beli kat kedai sikit, so aku try lah buat banyak. So aku google lah roti jala resepi, keluar banyak, so aku pilih lah salah satu. So aku ikut lah salah satu resepi tu. Jom tengok lah, ya. Yeah, look at this. Tengok ni. Macam hujan pula. Nothing. Excuse me. Bukan ni. Yeah, go eat sayang. No, mommy fail. Mommy fail doing this. Dia jadi bintik-bintik. Sebab pekat sangat. Pekat sangat. Cair sangat dah pula. Tahulah. Don't know. Oh man.
Susah nak buat.
Aduh, stres aku. Tak cantik lah. Aku tak sanggup. Yes! After so many struggles, guys. OMG, ni pun buruk. My first try, second try, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. After 18 try, baru dapat macam ni. Hidupku. There you go. Fun tak tengok aku fail? Komen lah kat bawah apa yang aku buat salah. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Lady of the House. Bye.